Awesome! Welcome to part two. So we are gonna be doing page 217 in math. We're continuing here. Okay. Write an addition and a subtraction equation for each word problem and use a variable for the unknown part. So we're gonna be doing the odd numbers like we were doing so far. Page number 23. The basketball team won 8 of its 12 basketball games. How many games were lost? So we need to write an addition equation and a subtraction equation, and we need to use a variable for the unknown part. So what is the unknown part? That's the first thing you should figure out. Well, we know that they won 8 games, and then we know that they played a total of 12 games. So the unknown is how many they lost, right? So let's write the addition equation first. So we need to do number of games won plus, because it's addition, plus, what should I put here? Number of games lost or total? Lost, right? Because 12 games is the total of the number of games won and the number of games lost. So this will translate into they won 8. So 8 plus, we don't know how many they lost, so the variable, I'm going to do G for games. 8 plus G equals 12. 12 total games. So this is going to be our addition answer. Now we need to write the subtraction answer, so we're not quite done yet. Just going to reverse it. So 12 total games minus number of games lost would be the number of games won, which is 8. So that's the subtraction. Or you can also do total number of games 12 minus the number of games won, 8, to find the number of games lost. That's also an option. Okay, so either one of these ones are correct. If you just wrote 1, that's okay. Just make sure you have one of the addition and one of the subtraction. All right, let's move on to 25. Evaluate the expression, let m equal 6. So every time you see evaluate, it means to solve it. So even in test, if it says evaluate, that means solve, okay? It doesn't have an equal sign, but just know that it means to solve. So we're just substituting here. So m is 6, so this is actually going to be 6 plus 8 times 3. Now, you got to remember the order of operations here. We can't do the plus first. It's parentheses first, exponents, multiply, divide, add, or subtract. So we don't have these two. We have multiply and we have add. So we should multiply first, right? So 8 times 3, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. That is your answer. Sorry about the bad handwriting. It's hard to write with the mouse. Okay, number 27. Write the algebraic expression. So remember, these are the math phrases that have letters like this. So write the algebraic expression. 4 times a number divided by 3. So let's start from the beginning. 4 times a number divided by 3. And that's all you got to do for 27.